Yes, please. Can you do this?
I saw one design in internet.
Okay, whatever. I just need to go on the
Trust me,
beach.
it was very nice. So I think
Okay.
I can do something the same. So we have to do
Cool.
here the
It
line.
already looks okay. What's that?
Not yet. It's some line.
Oh,
So we will do
my
a
God.
lot of. It's already interesting. No?
Well, I'm thrilled. I have no idea how it's gonna look like. And what plan do you have?
So here we finished,
Uh-huh.
and now we're starting here.
Oh, so you're not stopping at this?
No, So we have to take like this, up, up. So it's mean we're taking that, we're crossing,
Wow.
taking second one, like up.
It's so easy.
It's very easy.
It looks very amazing and sophisticated.
So, and
wow,
now-
you did an amazing job.
So here's done. So you have to turn, and now we'll do it also here. It will be nice. Trust me.
I really like that it's not a simple swimsuit anymore. And I
It will be not so simple.
And also I saw like there is a group of people, especially guys, and we can just be with them. And now I feel very confident to wear this.
So it will be faster.
Isn't it too exposed? How does it look like?
It's look very nice actually. So and the last here, and one more thing.
Yeah, I just want to say that I feel so good and it looks amazing. Like look at it.
It's really nice, really nice.
It's even better than it was before.
Here, like here, yes, amazing things. Bigger.
I feel even like so confident that I even want to make
And-
some new friends. Maybe.
Up.
What is happening there?
It's new design.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's very nice. Huh? It's nice, no?
Don't forget to take a photo of me. I want to see
So.
myself.
Okay. Oh my god, it's nice.
Wow. So let's go.
Wait, I will help you. I know about your meeting. I will help you. Wait. 1 second. Just let me do it.
Thanks God, everything is safe. I'm such a kid.
Just trust me. I was fashion designer in the past, so just trust me. So now, yes, it looks a bit. I
don't understand what is going on.
Take. No, just take. I will cut. It's my jacket. It's my jacket, but I will cut for you because I know about your meeting.
No, don't do this.
Yes. I will do this. It's my favorite jacket, but it's nothing. It just close. Oh yes.
I
Now,
can't even
give me this and this one. You have to take all that one. Yeah.
Hey girls, we have a meeting in 2 minutes.
In 2 minutes. Oh my god.
So hurry up.
Okay. Bravo. And now here leg, and this will be your skirt.
And it's like soaking wet.
I know. Sorry.
Everything is
Can you take? Yeah. And this skirt we will do for the size for you. We need stepper. Can you give me the stepper, please? Give me a stepper. Okay. Now we will fix your size. Oh, it will stay. It's amazing. Yes.
Is it working?
Yeah. Thank God. So now look at me. Okay. So now you have. We'll do top. You have to take off your t-shirt. Right here?
Yeah, right here. Yeah, right here.
Okay. Okay.
Don't look at me.
Okay, it's okay. Don't look for you. This we don't need. Turn, please. Please turn. This side will be better. And we will go here.
Oh, so it's like a top.
It's like a top, really, yeah. And one moment. Maybe
Yeah, let's fix it one more time.
one more time. So you're a bit more sexy.
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait,
so now,
wait.
one thing. So, yes. Oh my god, you look like a Barbie. I really like. And one more thing. Hair. Yes, hair. And shoes. I will give you my high heels. Thank you. And, yeah.
I'm shaking. I'm like really nervous. I didn't know what to expect.
It's okay, don't worry. So now, let me check.
Time to go.
Yes, thank you. Good luck.
You're moving me. I've been thinking about you day and night. I can't get enough. Oh, nah. I can't lie. I love the way you're messing with my mind. I can't get enough of my sweet Madeline. You're the reason why I'm waking up smiling. Oh, my sweet Madeline. Your name is written all over my heart. I can't stop. Yeah. I wanna be the one to hold you close, 'cause you're the only one I'm dreaming of. My love, my love, my love, my love, my love. Tell me, do you feel the way I do? 'Cause I only wanna ride with you. My love, my love, my love, I wanna ride with you. My love, my love, my love, I wanna ride with you. Yeah. My love, my love, my love. The things you do to me, I can't escape it. The air that I breathe even speaks of you. Yeah. Oh, I can't lie. I love the way you're messing with my mind. I can't get enough of mine.
I'm staring through your window, looking up at the stars, up at the stars. I'm caught inside a loop where I can get to your heart, get to your heart. Ooh, you're letting your fears take hold, let me take control, and it's making me crazy. If you could only look at me, you know how I feel, know how I feel. Oh, see how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. That's how much I want it, that's how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. Think twice before you let me go. My eyes are mirrors of my soul. See how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. Look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into my eyes. Look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into my eyes. I'm dancing on the tables, trying my best to forget, best to forget. Ooh, then no one coming through the door. It's your silhouette, your silhouette. Oh, I'm in a wonderland. I'm in a wonderland.
What a lovely day. Wait. What? Darling, I think maybe you step in something.
Period.
Yeah.
Do you
But
have
I'm
something to
boring.
change into? Did you get something?
No,
No.
warranties?
Okay, hold on. Wait, I think I can use this.
No, my umbrella. No,
Trust
it
me.
will rain.
Trust me, it's not gonna rain.
But
Yeah, we can do. Okay,
How?
hold on. I have an idea. Can I take this off?
no, in a public place.
No, it's okay. No, it's
No,
okay.
I'm dirty.
No.
No way.
Hold on. Do you have scissors?
Yes, I think. Yes,
Okay.
here. I don't feel comfortable.
It's fine.
Maybe I should cut this, and after I take out my skirt, I can make it.
Don't worry. It's gonna be fast.
What are you
I got
doing?
it. I got you.
You're destroying
I got
it.
you. No,
You're
it's okay.
destroying
Don't
it.
worry. I'll get you another one.
Oh my god.
Hold on. We have that party to get to. You can't show up
Yes,
like this.
my favorite skirt is ruined.
It's okay.
And
We'll
I
get it out
put so
later.
much layer. I even put a short,
Okay.
but it doesn't work. So after,
Hold on. Let me open it. Here, I can hide you.
and what you will do with this?
I'm gonna cut this off and we can put it on top.
Like a top? I need
Yeah.
a skirt.
No,
I
it's a
need
skirt.
something.
Here, help me get it off.
Okay.
Quick.
Yes, quick. I can't be like this in public.
It's good thing
awkward.
you got this today. Okay,
We
Throw it,
don't
throw
need
it.
it.
put your hands up.
But quickly, they see.
Here. Look, wait. Slowly. Okay. Look, it worked. Wait, turn around. You're sure? You can't see anything. Okay, hold on. We have to make it not look like an
That's
umbrella.
pretty nice, actually.
Okay, I can give
I'll
you my
buy
strap
umbrellas.
too.
And it's waterproof.
Yes.
I can use
How
it
about
for my
this?
period.
Okay, we'll put it in the back. Just to make sure
Yes.
it covers more, okay?
That's awesome.
What do you
I
think?
can't believe it.
How about you look even more Christmassy than before?
I like it. I
Yeah?
will buy the same one umbrella, but
Yeah, I think you're making a new
To go
fashion
as a-
statement. Yeah? Here you go.
what do you think?
Oh, you're great. Now you're even more protected. Better than
Yes?
before. Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
So,
Here,
the
you got
scissors.
everything?
Yes, and thank you very much. You wait.
Hey, you look great.
Let's go. We're
Okay.
late.
Wait, don't.
We don't need it.
All right, let's go.